In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a carousel slider in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create to start a new design. Because we're making an Instagram carousel, we'll build one long canvas and split it later. Take 1080 pixels and multiply it by the number of slides you want. For example, for 4 slides, set the width to 4320. Set the height to 1350 pixels for a portrait post. Then create the design. To line everything up, go to File, then View Settings and choose Add Guides. Pick Custom and set the number of columns to match your slide count 4 in this example with the gap set to 0. These columns show you where one slide ends and the next begins, making alignment effortless. Now design across the guides. You can use Canva's pre-designed templates to speed things up, mix and match layouts, colors and elements across the whole width. Keep important text, logos and key graphics centered within each column, so they're safe on individual slides. For a seamless swipe effect, let background images, gradients, or shapes stretch across the divider lines. This creates that smooth connected look when viewers swipe through. When your design looks good, go to the Apps section and search for Image Splitter. Open the app. Click Export Design, choose PNG, and Export. In the Image Splitter, set the number of columns to 4 so it matches the layout. Then click Split Image. This will output perfectly cropped panels for each slide. Back in your Canva project, go to the Pages panel. Click the down arrow and select the Instagram post size. Add each split image onto its own page and drag to fill the frame edge to edge, putting them in the correct left to right order. Once those are placed, delete the original wide canvas page so you are left with clean, individual slides. To add movement, select a page and click the plus button between pages to add a transition. Choose Match and Move and set the duration to around 1.0 to 1.5 seconds. This creates a smooth glide from one slide to the next. For a looping effect, duplicate your slides so the sequence returns to the start, and make the final slide identical to the first. When you are ready to share, download your carousel as an MP4 video for smooth playback, or as a GIF if you prefer that format. And that's it. Thanks for watching.